Hello everybody, we're up and running. We're really tired because we woke up around like 5:30, but we're getting ready to go Oshkosh Labor Day. It says hello, we just got done with our round one. It was very, very competitive. I think a lot of the groups are really, really good. And they're really, really creative with their outfits and their routine. So I give them props to that. Getting food and getting ready to go back to our hotel because we are very, very tired and exhausted. I'm sweaty. My makeup is not on fleek no more. Like, oh. So yeah.
But yeah, we'll see you guys at the hotel.
Everybody, we just arrived at our hotel. It's not that bad actually. Let's see, we're kind of like crammed in here. So here's the girls. So there's the bathroom. And then we got our bed, counter. Getting in a bit here, we're gonna go swimming. We'll try to vlog swimming. But the pool is really, really small, so hopefully we can all fit in there with like other people too. So
this is day 2. Good morning. Wait, which side is this lit? Right side or left side? This is yours. I'm making a cupcake cake. Oh, I'm not gonna get. Oh. Aaron, did you want me to carry your clothes?
Sam, you're the only one that knows I was recording. We are about to leave the hotel. Alright, we are all done getting ready. We're just waiting for the competition. We're just like waiting under our tent. It's so hot out. We got ourselves some lemonade. I got the strawberry lemonade. This is like $5. $5. But yeah, it's a nice day. It's pretty windy and we're excited. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!